have a curiosity. What's the craziest thing that you can think of that you can make money from easily? I know some like listening to music, pressing a few buttons, swiping left and right, answering surveys, and the like. But what if I told you that you could be making money using a brand new platform just to watch videos? Not even just to watch videos, but to watch videos, read comics, play video games. Isn't that insane? Everyone can basically earn by doing anything at this point. We can do all these by simply being at home, plus we're earning a decent amount of money. It's a total win-win. You could be making money not just for yourself, but even for your family, and you're even going to be able to help out others who probably need it as well. What makes this method even better is that if you are consistent, you could be earning passively. So you're eventually not going to have to work at all anymore because money is just going to come in on its own. It's free, worldwide, easy, and beginner friendly. What more could you ask for? As always, we're going to be walking you through this whole process step by step, and we're also going to be dropping some amazing bonus tips and tricks to use this method to its fullest and to make the most amount of money possible. So if you don't want to miss any of that, then make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. The website that we're going to be talking about today is called animationarena.com, and this is how their website should look like. This is where you should find yourself. This is where we're basically going to be watching movies, playing video games, reading comics, and in turn, we will be compensated. Now, this is the homepage right now, but we are going to move into a more specific link. So go ahead and type in animationarena.com/arena-writer.html, and that should take you to right here. Now, as you can read on here, get paid to write video game reviews, comic book, and movie reviews. We at Animation Arena are looking for a couple of writers to write video game, comic book, or movie reviews. No professional experience necessary. All we ask is that you have a genuine passion for the subject matter and that your grammar is clear enough for our readers to understand. These reviews are casual, so no technical writing here. Each review will need to be a minimum of 550 words long and must be original, so that means no plagiarism. At the end of each review, please rate the material on a scale of 1 to 10. The pay is $15 per review with a maximum of 10 reviews per month. And if you're interested in writing for Animation Arena, please send us an email with 2 samples of your writing to arenamaster@animationarena.com. Please place Writing for Animation Arena 2022 in the subject line. Please answer the following questions within your email. So you're going to have to include your name, your age, the subjects that you'd like to review. What do you think makes a review a good review? What your favorite TV shows are? What games you're playing right now and what games you're looking forward to playing? What comic books you're reading right now, and what your top 5 movies are for 2022 or 2021. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Next website, which is also new and fresh, is called Satorify.io or Satorify.io, and this is their website. Before going through their homepage, let's read a little bit about Satorify. Now, Satorify is the revolutionary platform that connects the world's employers with the world's microtask workforce, bringing the gig economy to eager Satorify members in emerging nations. Satorify allows remote, net-connected individuals to increase their own and their community's standard of living by providing access to a range of jobs posted by distributed employers and configuring these jobs into a primary or secondary income source. In addition to providing affinity based, specific, measurable gigs to remote workers, Satorify also provides its distributed workforce with tools and training. So, in addition to their own gig, workers can create and manage their own online teams, turning them into entrepreneurs, overseeing and deriving additional income and pride from the activities of their virtual teams. If you browse jobs, you're going to be met by a lot of different jobs for a lot of different preferences, which is obviously a great thing. Now let's read through the homepage, and as you can see, do tasks, play games, earn money, and win prizes. Satorify is the fun way to get paid for completing simple tasks, learn new job skills, and achieve your personal goals. How it works: number one, you're going to start earning now. Satorify has hundreds of unique tasks for you to complete to earn valuable tokens called CLM. So that's their point exchanger, that's their point system, their reward system. There's never a cost to you. Number two, you're going to level up your goals. Cash out your CLM or apply them toward cards you collect to win prizes. Satorify is here to help you set and accomplish your goals. You can exchange your points for vouchers, power-ups, special products, US dollars, which is what we want, Bitcoin for some, and even Ethereum for the others. To sign up, just click on Start Earning right here, and that should take you to here, wherein you're going to have to provide a username, an email, password. Then you're going to confirm that you are not a robot, and ta-da, you now have a Satorify account, and you can start earning as soon as you get one. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Last website is called computermobilepanel.nielsen.com, and as you can see, get rewarded for using your devices. Sign up your computers, smartphones, and tablets to earn up to $50 in points for gift cards, monthly $10,000 sweepstakes entries, and instant reward win game tokens. $10,000 monthly sweepstakes. The Nielsen software on your computer automatically enters you into our $10,000 monthly sweepstakes. $50 in yearly reward points. The Nielsen app on your mobile device unlocks up to $50 in rewards points per year, redeemable via PayPal or gift cards from retailers such as Amazon, Walmart, and a lot more. Instant win game tokens. All panelists earn game tokens for chances to instantly win rewards on our scratch off games. How it works: you're going to sign up, you're going to answer the registration questions to tell them more about yourself, your household, and the devices that you use. Then you're going to set it up. You're going to download their safe and secure Nielsen app or computer software on your qualified devices. And then you're going to earn rewards. You're going to get rewarded just for using your devices as you do today. And that's pretty much it. Hit on join now to apply and start earning right away. Make sure you try all three websites together because that's the only way to get the best results. And that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.